Today, I rank every price I bought. I will be rating the scale of 1 out of 10 based on three things. First, flavor. Second, texture. Third, salt. So, let's begin in this probably the famous fast food in the Philippines is Jollibee. Jollibee is everywhere. You can see every corner of the street or highway. Hello.
Jolly morning po, welcome to Jollibee Drive-Thru and order po nila.
Pwedeng ano lang, one regular price lang. So, the first we need to taste is Jollibee. I have Jollibee, right here. Texture niya, dahil nga, di ko kinain agad, medyo naglanta na, malambot. Yung pag kinain ko, malambot siya. About naman sa sa lasa, hindi siya ganun salty. Then, yung flavor niya, actually, wala siyang flavor. Plain lang. Meron lang tong konting salt, pero hindi sobrang salty. Bibidyo ko as namin. I will rate this one is 5. 5 out of 10. Why? Kasi nga, wala siyang flavor. Then, texture niya, malambot naman. The next spot is Wendy's. Wendy's is limited branch here in the Philippines. So, I drove from Caloocan to Espana. This one is Wendy's. Wendy's price. We're gonna taste it right now. Texture, almost same. Na Jollibee. Medyo naglalanta, malambot. No flavor. Medyo siya, medyo may pagka-similar sa sa Jollibee. Walang flavor, texture malambot, parang lanta. What about the salt? Mas lower yung niya, mas lower yung salt niya. Third spot is McDo. Ang McDo ay kilala. Parang ganoon, di ba? Kahit sa ibang bansa kilala McDo. We're gonna taste it right now. This one is McDo fries. Yung packaging ng McDo malaki, maganda. Alright. So first, texture niya. Texture niya lambot, Pag dim siya, di ba, bumili ka. Tapos dim siya kinain agad. So ayan, lumalambot siya agad. Second is flavor. Actually, wala siyang flavor. Plain lang, plain. The third is yung salt niya. Yung salt niya, i-rate ko ng mga 6. 6 out of 10. The last spot is Potato Corner. Ito, bago lang to Bagong lang to, price lang to Ang limit lang. Yung branch niya malalayo, ganun pag pinunta mo. May mga flavor na to. This one, texture, parang pares lang sa mga Jollibee, McDo, and Wendy. Malambot Flavor, may lasa. Parang garlic barbecue. Masarap siya. Yung salt naman. Salt niya, mga 5 lang. 5 out of 10. Parang balance lang. Maalat, hindi matabang, balance. Tapos yung lasa niya talaga masarap.